Got all your ducks in a row? Put them in the water. Put them in the water, baby. Where's the water? Show Mommy the water. Oh, that's right. That's the water. Look at that. That's over 1/4 inch of water on our apartment floor. Look at that. No, it didn't rain a crazy amount. We didn't have a hurricane. This is from our freaking washing machine. We've been looking for a new one. We knew the old one was dying, but had no idea it was so close. Oh my gosh. Oh, you okay?
What?
Look at this. These ducks actually float. Crazy, man. Oh my goodness. Brent went home to get the shop vac, the house, and the floor mate. We're gonna be up all night. All right. Say bye-bye. Say thank God for renter's insurance. Bye-bye.